If your doodles look like scribbles, you're an artist in disguise. Let's unlock your potential with AI art. Imagine typing a few words and watching a masterpiece come to life. That's the power of AI. Start by choosing a reliable AI art generator. Some popular picks are Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion. Next, think about what you want to create. A fantasy landscape? A futuristic city? Just type it in the prompt box. Be specific. The more details, the better. For example, instead of just forest, try enchanted forest with glowing mushrooms and mist. Hit generate and watch the magic unfold. If the result isn't quite right, tweak your prompt. Add or change details until you get the perfect image. And don't forget to have fun experimenting. With AI art, the possibilities are endless. So what will you create next? Dive in and let your imagination soar.